Smoke ganja and Zion reggae. Me close my eyes, me hear the drum, Jah kingdom come. We now whisper Rasta song, where me belong. Light shine bright on my face, Jah embrace. Me lift his spirit strong, walk Jah road long. Me soul eternal flame, no shame. Every trial may survive, keep love alive. The world may turn cold, but me heart bold. Me see the greed take hold, but just story told. No silver chain me wear, freedom me share. Me chant for every man free unity. Me meditate on the hill, Jah will. Rasta soul eternal, life universal, love never done under the sun. Rasta soul divine, forever shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night. Me standing at the circle strong, sing Jah song. Me heart beat like Nyabinghi drum. Blessings come. Me tread the path of grace in every place. Me heal through word and sound. Love all around. Me soul no fear no end. Life transcend. Each breath me take for Jah. Pure hallelujah. Spirit never fade. Jah foundation laid. Me dwell in higher state through Jah gate. Rasta soul eternal, life universal, love never done under the sun. Rasta soul divine, forever shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night. Me fade into Jah breeze, soul at ease. Rasta soul eternal flame, forever the same. Ay, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Ay, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me feel the flame start grow deep in my soul below. Jah whisper in my ear, no fear. Me like the match of truth since me youth. Me walk through fire long, still me strong. Them test me heart and soul, but Jah control. Me see the system crumble down, still me wear me crown. Every spark me keep alive, Jah help me survive. Me burn for freedom, burn for right, me shine me light. No evil can cool me flow, me still grow. Every scar a lesson learned, every bridge me burn. Me chant the flame of peace, still hate decrease. Fire within me soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame, Jah call me name. Fire within burn bright, guide me through the night. Write your seat inside, Jah me guide. Me pass through darkness, yes, but me still bless. Me heart no turn to stone. Me stand alone, me spark ignite the crowd. Me sing loud, them try to hold me down, still me wear Jah crown. Me see the youth them lost, me bear the cost, me teach them light, not gun. Fight with sun, the flame fi heal the land, not destroy. Money chamber pure and true, like morning dew. Me fire return, I'll burn. Every soul return. Jah wine on the flame, forever sing. Ha ha. Fire within me soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame. Jah call me name. Fire within burn bright, guide me through the night. Righteous heat inside, Jah me guide. So me blaze till me day is done. Fire of the sun, keep it bright, my friend. No end. Fire within. Fire within. Fire within my soul. Ay, ay, ay. Kaya kushama. Na 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 na. Ba da da ya da. Ay, ay, ay. When the morning first appear, throne of dawn is drawing near. Every ray a golden fire, throne uplift the spirit higher. Babylon kingdom fade away, throne of dawn declare the day. Every color pure and bright, throne of dawn reveal the light. Prophet chant with voice so strong, throne of dawn correct the wrong. Every judgment bold and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Night is gone, no more disguise, throne of dawn before our eyes. Every step a sacred flame, throne exalt your holy name. Ah, ba la 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 la, ah la la, ba la 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 la, ba la 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 la. People gather on the plain, throne of dawn break every chain. Songs of freedom fill the air, throne of dawn is standing there. No more silence, no more war, throne of dawn open door. Every nation side by side, throne of dawn remove the pride. Aye. Ba da 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 da, ba da da, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da. Fish are cast upon the sea, throne of dawn bring destiny. Farmer till the blessed ground, throne of dawn spread peace around. Teacher speak with wisdom true, throne of dawn shine ever new. Babylon throne collapse and fall, throne of dawn outshine them all. Every scar and every tear, throne of dawn remove the fear. Children laugh and elders sing, throne of dawn crown your king. Glorious fire, bold and free, throne of dawn eternity. Everlasting morning flame, throne of dawn remain the same. Never fading, never gone, throne of dawn keep burning on. Every sunrise sing again, throne of dawn remove the pain. Sacred kingdom strong and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Rise, rise, shining flame, throne of dawn exalt your name. Glow, glow, morning bright, throne of dawn keep holy light. Sing, sing, bold and long, throne of dawn the righteous song. Oh, yo, yo. Rasta is iron, meditate your mind. Wow.
Across the canyon, wide and deep, bridges rise where shadows creep. Made of mercy, built by grace, bridges link the human race. Step by step, the path is clear. Bridges carry us from fear. No more borders, no divide. Bridges shine on every side. Crafted not with iron stone, bridges grow from love alone. Every pillar carved in peace, bridges let the hatred cease. No oppression cross the span, bridges lift the heart of man. Every nation, hand in hand, bridges bind the broken land. Voices gather on the shore, bridges call for something more. Songs of feeling, drums of fire, bridges lift the spirit higher. Even stranger once apart, bridges mend a broken heart. Every step a sacred vow, bridges build a future now. Morning sun reveal the way, bridges glow at break of day. Even storm cloud cannot hide, bridges stand in holy pride. Babylon wall begin to fall, bridges rise above it all. Every arch a song of light, bridges guide us through the night. Aye, 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 aye. 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 Work a hand in work a hand, bridges stretch across the land. Carved by wisdom, shaped by time, bridges chant the righteous rhyme. Through the valley, over sea, bridges guard our destiny. Every step a melody, bridges hum eternity. When the weary seek a rest, bridges lead them to the best. No more sorrow, no more chains, bridges wash away the pains. Generations cross the span, bridges strengthen every man. Glorious flaming shining mind, bridges keep the way out bright. Everlasting tall and free, bridges mark our victory. From the mountain to the coast, bridges hold the Holy Ghost. No more silence, no despair, bridges prove that love is here. Shining beacon, bold and true, bridges always carry through. Step, step, side by side, bridges and the foolish pride. Rise, rise, shining flame, bridges glorify your name. Walk, walk, don't look back, bridges lead along the track. Sing, sing, voices strong, bridges guide us all along. Bridges of light, tall and free, carry the people to destiny. Never breaking, never fall, bridges connect the world for all. Forever glowing, strong and bright, bridges shine your holy light. Through every trial, storm and fight, bridges guide us into night. Bridges of mercy, bold and true, open forever for me and you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Aye, 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 aye. Na 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 na, kaya and sweat, kaya mo. Me hear the drum. Me hear the drum beat on the wind. Ancient rhythm deep within. Echoes of ancestors call, rise up one and all. Me spirit light, me feet strong. Jah melody keep trodding long. Them system built on lion chain. Still me walk through the rain. Me carry truth like firebrand. Spread it across the land. Me chant for the voiceless man. Rasta got a plan. Freedom no come easy, but Jah move steady. Me heart a rebel flame. Me chant Jah name. Me see the youth them blind by screen. Forget them root, forget them dream. But me bring back the old time sound. Make the heart beat pound. Drum and bass unite we all. Rasta answer the call. Me no need no gun or sword. Just Jah word, me plant the seed of truth again. Watch Babylon, chain break plain when roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened sky. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. May travel far for teach you to hold on to Jah truth. The struggle real but hope still there. In the prayer me see the sun shine bright. My spirit ignite. No fear for the wicked tongue. The battle won. Me see the world start wake. Me feel the ground shake. Rebellion born from care, not despair. Me chant from mountain top. Me never stop. Jah message echo free across the sea. Me rebel with the heart of peace until it cease. Me fight with love, not rage. Jah wisdom sage, yeah. Roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened sky. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fight. One love for all. So me chant till morning come. Righteous overcome. Roots rebellion live for stay. Let it away. Let it away. Let it, let it, let it, let it away. Let it, let it, let it.
I going ganja and coconut your man. Let me waking at the dawn so clean. Jah bless me scene. Me smell the earth, the breeze, the dew. Life feel new. Bird them sing a joyful tone. Zion me home. Me rise from the humble clay. Give thanks for another day. The mountain whisper peace. Me soul release. Me see the sun paint the sky golden eye. Every leaf me see a prayer. Jah always there. Me walk through fields of light. Every shadow fade away. Jah guide me way. Me hold me staff. Me trod me path. Free from wrath. Each breath me take me know Jah river flow. Yeah, Zion morning shine. Bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean. Truth unseen. Zion morning rise. Open up my eyes. Jah light divine. Forever mine. Forever mine. Me sit and reason with the breeze. Soul at ease. The lion rough the truth again. Break the chain. No money, no crown. Come on, people, let the Babylon system fall, you man. At the edge where sky meets sea, book of horizon speak to me. Pages wide as morning flame, book inscribed your holy name. Every dawn a chapter new, book reveal what we must do. No corruption touch the line, book of horizon law divine. Elder read the holy word, book of horizon must be heard. Every mark a shining sign, book connect the heart with time. Babylon ink cannot erase, book of horizon truth and grace. Every symbol bold and pure, book of wisdom still endure. Vision rise at break of day, book of horizon guide the way. Every sunrise mark a key, book unlock eternity. Storm may rage, but it remain, book of horizon break the chain. Every letter flame of light, book reveal what's just and right. Sing to soothe her child, book of horizon voices mild. Every tale a seed of peace, book let mercy never cease. No more sorrow, no more war, book of horizon open door. Even stranger learn to see, book of love set spirit free. Chant upon the stage, book of horizon turn the page. Every nation find the line, book of justice still divine. Never silent, never still, book of horizon speak your will. From the desert to the sea, book of truth for you and me. Generation rise and pray, book of horizon light the way. Every corner, every land, book is written by John. Glorious wisdom, bold and bright, book of horizon shine the light. Everlasting, strong and sure, book of truth will still endure. Turn, turn, page of flame, book exalt the holy name. Rise, rise, vision clear, book of horizon always near. Speak, speak, wisdom true, book of horizon guide way through. Vast and wide, keep the people true inside. Never ending, never gone, book of truth still carry on. Forever shining, bold and free, book reveal eternity. Across the mountain, through the night, book of horizon keep the light. Na na na, the master reggae of Zion.
ablaze. Drum and chalice chant of praise. Circle wide, the people sing. Glory rise to Zion King. Smoke ascend, the spirit fly. Drum beat echo across the sky. Babylon system fade away. Drum and chalice rule today. Every hand upon the skin. Drum beat shake from deep within. Every draw a sacred flame. Chalice chant Jah holy name. Youth man dance and elder pray. One love spirit on display. No division, no more wall. Drum and chalice heal us all. Drum and chalice holy sound. Lift the people off the ground. Every heart beat pure and free. Drum and chalice unity. Through the night until the morn. Drum and chalice keep us strong. Every rhythm, every tone. Link the flesh unto the bone. Ancestor spirit gather near. Through the smoke Jah voice we hear. No oppression, no deceit. Drum and chalice set complete. Babylon try to silence we, but the drum still set we free. Every corner, every land. Drum and chalice hand in hand. Generations pass it down. Chalice fire never drown. Living culture roots so deep. Drum and chalice never sleep. Beat the drum, light the flame. Chalice chant your name. Sound and smoke rise so high. Link the people to the sky. Drum and chalice, holy sound. Lift the people off the ground. Every heart beat pure and free. Drum and chalice unity. Forever chanting, never done. Drum and chalice, two as one.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion deep in the jungle. Aye, 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 aye. Zion deep in the jungle. Lightning carve across the sky. Crown of storms is lifted high. Thunder roll with holy sound. Crown of storms shake all around. Babylon throne begin to bend. Crown of storms bring judgment end. Every cloud a fiery flame. Crown exalt your mighty name. Prophets stand upon the hill. Crown of storms reveal Jah will. Every strike a holy word. Crown of storms cannot be blurred. Darkness scatter, chains undone. Crown of storms bring morning sun. Every roar a sacred sign. Crown of storms declare divine. Voices chant across the land. Crown of storms strike Babylon hand. Wall
on the ground. Crown of storms and rain around. Fields of hunger start to grow. Crown of storms, let mercy flow. No more famine, no more pain. Crown of storms, restore again. Every harvest bold and free. Crown of storms, bring victory. Generations singing on. Crown of storms, fulfill the law. No corruption, hide the face. Crown of storms, bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms, reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms, declare the day. Gatheration, singing all. Crown of storm, fulfill the law. No corruption, hide the face. Crown of storms, bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms, reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms, declare the day. Crash, crash upon the flame. Crown of storms, exalt your name. Shine, shine, lightning true. Crown of storms, protect the crew. Roll, roll, heavy sound. Crown of storms, shake the ground. Crown of storms, fierce and high. Judgment blaze across the sky. Never fading, never gone. Crown of storms, keep rolling on. Forever roaring, bold and bright. Crown of storms, shine your light. Strike the darkness, break the chain. Crown of storms, bring peace again.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Burning bright from ancient days. Fire light your holy ways. Cleanse the heart, refine the soul. Make the broken spirit whole. Every spark of truth reveal. Every flame a wound that heal. Fire of Rasta never die. Lift the chanting to the sky. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path for we to trod. Keep we walking close to God. From the hills to city street. Fire warm the people's feet. It called the youth fee rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it out so true. Fire of Rastaman break through. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with just sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a true divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify. Lift the soul to Jah Most High. It burn the chain of Babylon. Show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it warm the old. Tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill. Rastafari blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace. Make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum. It chant the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song. Guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright. Burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay. Fire light the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame. Hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive. True Jah love, you will survive. It test the soul, it make it strong. Teach the weak where they belong. Burn the greed and burn the pride. Leave the truth that can't divide. When the dawn upon the land, fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright. Fire of Rastaman give light. From first breath until the end. Sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above. Blazing fire of pure love. Blaze high, blaze clear. Rastafari bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold. Fire of Rastaman never cold. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the
No, 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 Zion is higher, man. Morning break with holy flame. Zion sunrise in Jah name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay. Light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance we grow. Every seed Jah blessing so. Babylon night can't overcome. Zion shine like rising sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Children wake with hope anew. Sunlight guiding all them do. From the ghetto to the field, chain strong enough to hold. Zion fire brighter than gold. Every man and woman sing. Zion's son a holy king. It heal the wound, it dry the tear. Zion's son forever near. Warm the heart, restore the soul. Zion light will make us whole. From east to west, from north to south. Zion flame in every mouth. From age to age, still shining bright. Zion's sun, eternal light. Shine, shine, Zion flame, Zion flame. Rise forever in Jah name. Every morning new begun. Zion rise like morning sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Glory, glory, day begun. Zion rise, the chosen one.
Zion Reggae inna the house, yeah man. Oh, deep in the night, under moonlight glow. Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far. Guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell just story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum on Nyabinghi, strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high. Reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand. It build the love across the land. From first beat till the last. Drum of Zion, all we fast. that will last from root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow. Zion Reggae. Deep in the night and the moonlight glow, Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tells a story true, ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease, beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old, tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul, make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear, drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, hold we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep trotting on. It tell the world we shall be free, when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky, Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can steal the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow.
Na Zion Raga, yeah man. Holy city shining bright, city of Zion full of light, streets of peace and gates of gold. City story never old, no crime, no war, no pain to bear. City of Jah forever care, every house a song of love. City shining high above, city of Zion pure and fair, Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land, city built by Jah hand. It glow at night, it shine by day. City of Zion, holy way. No hunger there, no thirst, no fight. City shine with holy light. It called the children, called the meek. City truth all people seek, forever standing, never fall. City of Jah, feel we all. Me walk the street of righteous flame. City chant Jah holy name. It bless the humble, bless the kind. City of Jah eternal mind. No wicked plan, no Babylon rule. City of Zion holy school, forever shining bright and clear. City of Jah forever near. It echo drum, it echo song. City of Zion stands so long. It heal the heart, it lift the soul. City of Jah make we whole, forever pure, forever bright. City shining day and night. Every gate a holy sign. City of Jah forever mine. When the trumpet sound at last, city of Zion standing fast. It blaze eternal, never done. City shining with Jah sun, forever home, forever free. City of Jah for you and me, from earth to sky, from night to morn. City of Zion ever born. Stand tall, walk in. City of Zion free from sin. No wall, no hate can ever break. City of Jah no man forsake. City of Zion pure and fair, Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land, city built by Jah hand. From dawn of time till trumpet play, city of Zion always stay.
Zion reggae. just one. Crown of Zion like the sun. Not of silver, not of gold. Crown of love forever bold. It shine with mercy, shine with peace. Crown of Jah bring sweet release. Forever pure, forever true. Crown of Zion for me and you. Crown of Zion bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. No king of earth can wear the flame. Crown of Zion call your name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. It break the chain, it lift the soul. Crown of Jah make we whole. Forever shining, never fade. Crown eternal Jah has made. Me see the elder bow in prayer. Crown of Zion shining there. It blaze at night, it glow at noon. Crown of Jah no fading soon. Forever holy, never wrong. Crown of Zion ever strong. Upon the head of chosen true. Crown of Jah belong to you. No Babylon can take away. Crown of Zion here to stay. It shine eternal, shine divine. Crown of Jah forever mine. It bless the children, bless the meek. Crown of truth all people seek. Forever shining bright and free. Crown of Jah for you and me. When the trumpet sound at last. Crown of Zion ever fast. It blaze eternal, never gone. Crown of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time till endless day. Crown of Zion light the way. Holy glory, holy song. Crown of Jah forever strong. Shine bright, shine high. Crown of Zion fill the sky. No thief, no chain can steal away. Crown of Jah forever stay. Crown of Zion bright and strong. Bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test. Crown of Jah reward the blessed. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Crown of Zion ever worn. Badabim Badabum, Rastafari is stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds, them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Herb and harmony, balance divine. Me soul align in just sunshine. Call up the ancients in a deep breeze. Me feel them whispering a the
trees. Urban harmony, one meditation. In a this chant me find salvation. No rush, no fight, just breath and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. How the plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. How we no need no riches fi feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Nyabinghi beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me sister and true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east, me look within. Fi find me peace, meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far but me heart stay home. Urban harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call of creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise. Just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a the sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion, we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send, and every journey have a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until the kingdom come. Call of the ancients, roots and sky. Me know me soul